a little full moon guided meditation and energy release for you today. Please be seated with your feet flat on the floor for extra grounding purposes. And as you give your body a breath, gently lower those eyelids and become aware of your point of awareness and move it backwards behind your eyes until it's in between your ears. And give your body another breath so that it settles in for this release. And now imagine that what you're sitting upon is a giant tree stump, and it's wider than your hips all the way around. And this tree stump has a long trunk. It goes through the building that you're in, through the ground, the earth, whether it's rock or caverns or layers of lava, all the way through thousands of miles down into the very center of the earth. And it's rooted in there for a one-way release from your space to the center of the earth. And give your body another breath as it becomes grounded from the first chakra to the center of the earth. And I remind you to have your point of awareness behind your eyes and in between your ears. And I want you to know that just like anything else that we give to the earth, we commit to the earth, whether on top of the earth or deep down in the earth, it is going to get broken down and it's going to get turned into fertilizer. So any of the energies that you've been carrying around because you don't want other people to mistakenly pick them up. I used to have that misconception that if I let go of what I was carrying as an empath, that someone else would pick it up. And I really was doing them a disservice. And I'm going to tell you why this is a healing in just a minute. But give yourself permission to begin to let go of anything that does not serve you. Someone commented on one of my Facebook posts this morning that her anxiety really runs full tilt at a full moon. And any emotions that we are experiencing, if we become resistant and try to choke them down, stuff them down, hold them back, we're actually creating a pressure cooker, right? And we need to hit that release valve like on the Instapot. And this release down through that tree stump, that one-way release to the center of Mother Earth, is a way to transmute those energies, whether they're yours, whether they're other people's energies that you've picked up, whether it's from the global collective. We're going through some difficult times right now. People are facing challenges. And we as empaths and those of service, as energy healers, we feel that. We want to help, we want to support, we want to serve. But if we are a cluttered up container, we are in service of no one. So give yourself permission to gently release any energies that are ready to go, and it goes down through that tree stump, that grounding cord, to the center of the earth for transmutation. And if anything challenging comes up for you, anything that makes your body wiggle or jiggle or tingle, or maybe even feel uncomfortable pins and needles, breathe. Give your body a breath. Some energies could be very embedded within you. The full moon allows, well, it doesn't allow, it supports our flow, just like it changes the flow of rivers and ocean tides. It allows for more flow, including those emotions. Our emotions are heavily tied to the moon. And so the emotions will come up, and if we give them a place to go through this grounding, then we have that release valve, and will over time have less. The example here is anxiety in our space. And with every full moon, we can release so much more. So give your body a breath. Have your awareness there in the center of your head. Know that you can come back and revisit this when you'd like. And whenever we do a deep release, we also want to fill in. So go ahead and from that place behind your eyes and in between your ears, imagine above your head is a gigantic gold sun, twice the size of your body. And just like the sun in our solar system brings all that life force energy, it brings the warmth, it creates the oxygen in the atmosphere. Well, working with the trees, it does, right? It creates seasons, it creates water cycles. Our plant kingdom thrives by the light of the sun, creating not only oxygen, but food to support the rest of the earthly ecosystem. There's so much life force energy coming from that sun. And so just imagine this beautiful life force energy sitting weightlessly above your head. And then we're going to pop that at the top of your head, and we're going to allow it to fill in the crown chakra, and then the third eye chakra, and then the throat chakra. And as it's making its way down, let it expand outward as well, throughout all the associated body parts, down through the shoulders, the arms, into that heart chakra space, again filling out that torso front to back and side to side, down into that solar plexus area below our rib cage, below the navel to that sacral chakra, our root chakra at the tip of our tailbone. And now allow that energy, that beautiful life force energy, to go through our thighs, the knees, the calves, the ankles, the feet. And now that your entire body and chakra system is filled with this beautiful life force energy, allow it to span out into your aura field, an arm's distance in front of you, both sides, the left and the right, behind you, above you and below you, so that you're supported in this beautiful bubble of life force energy. Offer appreciation to your body for the stillness and the release with another breath or two. And as you come out and open your eyes, you may feel inclined to get up and wiggle, or to bend over and dump any energies that are sitting on top of you out. Either way is fine. And just validate the beautiful release that you have experienced today, supported by this beautiful pink moon, full moon energy. Namaste.